Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here, nah, you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it,
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Nah, you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it, you.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
This wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is that 13x4 lace frontal body wave wig, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site so I can see more info about this unit. It does say that this unit is 14 inches, the one that I have, and is 180% density. Okay, so on their site, it says Beauty Forever Body Wave Lace Front Wig for women. It says 13 by 4 or 13 by 6 lace front wig, Brazilian body wave human hair wig. It's 150% density. Now, as I stated, they did send me 180. They do give you the options of getting the 13 by 4 and 150% density, the 13 by 4 and 180% density, the 5 by 5 and 180% density, the 4 by 4 and 150, and the 4 by 4 and 180, and the 13 by 6 and 150. So you do have plenty of options when it comes to this particular unit. As far as the lengths go, they have this unit available in 14 to 28 inches. All of those being even numbers. As I stated, I did choose to get this unit in 14 inches. And I feel like if you get a unit in a shorter length, then you can basically make it into either an everyday wig or a sort of bob. You know what I mean? So that's why I particularly chose this length. And I don't see any other details about this wig other than it is, it says Beauty Forever, the length is long and body wave, and it's a lace front wig. I personally do not see any other details and stuff about this particular unit. Okay, so with this wig, in my opinion, this unit did come pre-tweezed. I don't see anywhere on the site where they said it was pre-tweezed, but I didn't tweeze this unit whatsoever. Now, I did decide to bleach the knots, which is why I ended up having to recurl it and, you know, pin it and all that stuff, because I did bleach the knots, meaning I basically washed the unit. So it didn't come pre-bleached, but it definitely came with a wave, as a body wave comes, and it also definitely came pre-tweezed, in my opinion. Y'all let me know what you think, because like I said, I didn't touch old girl. Okay, old girl woke up like this. I didn't like tweeze it whatsoever. As far as the parting space, I kind of just went with how they already had the unit parted. I may have just kind of, you know, parted a little bit more, but I basically kind of just went with how they already had it. And I feel like the parting space is really, really decent. I don't feel like it needs any tweezing at all whatsoever. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not received any straight out of packaging. That's not to say old girl won't do any other things at some point. That's just me saying that right now, old girl is doing none of the things, girl, okay? So shout out to them for that. And as far as this unit being big head friendly, I do feel like the wig is medium to big head friendly. I think you can definitely fit this unit if you do have a bigger, a larger head, child, water head, as I like to say. If you do, I feel like you can still make the unit work, because I did have to adjust the straps, but I am an average head sister, honey, and I only got the head that's on my shoulder, so you can do with that what you want to do with that. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so I want to just say that my con with this wig would be the fact that it's a 13 by 4, because you have to be really, really careful when you're dealing with 13 by 4s, which is why you kind of see that curve in this particular unit. When you're dealing with 13 by 4s, you're gonna see the weft of the unit. I always just say weft. I don't know if that bothers people, but it bothers me sometimes when I'm editing. So you can see the weft in the units if you don't part it a certain way. So that was literally the only con that I could think of with this particular wig. My pros with this unit is that, first of all, I feel like as far as frontals go, okay, there's a difference between saying something is beginner friendly and as something is frontal beginner friendly. You know what I mean? If you're stepping into frontals, then this particular unit would be beginner friendly for the frontal community, okay? If that makes sense, you know what I'm saying? So in my opinion, this unit is frontal beginner friendly, like if you decide to step into frontals, because it does come pre-tweezed, and I did not have to cut off a lot on the sides for my ears, which is always a plus. I don't know why there is always so much excess lace with certain units, but with this unit, it wasn't. Like, it was literally just, I don't even think I have it over here anymore. It was literally just this that I had to cut off. You know what I mean? And usually I have to cut off hair. I have to cut off so much, but with this unit, it wasn't a whole lot. So shout out to y'all for that. Okay, so those are my, as well as the softness of this particular unit and the party space. Those are my pros with this wig. I would definitely recommend this unit. I think it is a really, really nice wig. I feel like it's a great everyday wig. I feel like this is sort of mom hair. Okay, and when I say mom hair, I don't say that to age people. I mean, moms come in all ages, girl. I feel like it's mom hair because usually when you're a mom, you have so much stuff to do. Okay, and you don't want something kind of get in your way. I don't feel like this unit will get in your way, especially if you get the length that I've gotten it in. So yeah, I would definitely personally recommend this unit, as well as the fact that I feel like it is beginner friendly. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, those are my thoughts and opinions on this wig. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it as much as I am. Once again, shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And your girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you